Did you know that road damage due to overloading is a costly consequence to the taxpayer? A truck that is 10% loaded more than it should causes 50% more damage on the road than a compliant truck. The Kenya National Highways Authority has been implementing cost-effective and reliable axle load control methods that provide a way to unobtrusively monitor commercial traffic on highways. It also enables the road to attain their full lifespan through intelligent monitoring and enforcement.
Roads are a critical ingredient for socio-economic prosperity, with the government of Kenya implementing its development agenda through the construction of roads across the country. There is a need to protect the investment that has been made. With the growth of transport network in Kenya, there has been an increased risk brought by commercial trucks. Road damage due to overloading is a costly consequence to the taxpayer. A truck that is 10% loaded more than it should causes 50% more damage on the road than a compliant truck. Kenya, which acts as a preferred gateway to landlocked countries in East and Central Africa, bears the immediate burden of trucks that overload. The Kenya National Highways Authority has been implementing cost-effective and reliable axle load control methods. Under this implementation, the authority has been utilizing the latest advances in high-speed weigh-in-motion virtual weigh stations, commonly known as VWS technology. This is to enable the roads to attain their full lifespan through intelligent monitoring and enforcement. How does the system work? First of all, when a vehicle approaches a virtual weigh station, it runs over loop sensors which detect, classify and measure the speed of the vehicle. The weight of each axle and the gross weight is also captured by sensors at this point. Position sensors measure the lateral positions of the wheel and detect whether there is a single or dual tire in use. Secondly, the presence of the vehicle also triggers cameras which capture the number plate, make and model of the vehicle. The image of the whole vehicle is captured to document its movement and axle configuration. Finally, 10 virtual stations have been in operation to relay data in real time to a data center for backup and analysis. Non-compliant vehicles are tagged on the system and sent to all static weigh bridges where the vehicle will be redirected to the yard.
Initially, we started off by doing a pilot of 10 stations, but we saw that the impact that the 10 created, that actually brought down overloading levels. Since we only did 10, most of the weigh bridge stations are located along the northern corridor, and so other road networks were not covered by any form of fixed monitoring systems.
The Kenya National Highways Authority is installing 13 additional virtual weigh stations within Kenya's road network. They are Sabaki, Madogo, Kipwezi, Kajiado, Mwatate, Malili, Eldama Ravine, Mau Summit, Cheptiret, Malaba, Mukumu, Kapenguria and Emali. From 2017 to date, the virtual stations that have been in operation have driven up axle load compliance to 98%. However, more needs to be done to accommodate Kenya's growing road network. The virtual weigh station is arguably one of the most impactful technological interventions in protecting Kenya's road network.